Brandy Campbell is live from Indianapolis for us. Brandy.
Hey, John. Right now, we're dealing with this Clipper, the fast-moving winter storm that comes out of Canada, dropping maybe 3 to 5 inches of snow here in Indianapolis, where we're under a winter storm warning. Take a look at where we are here in Monument Circle, here in the downtown area of Indianapolis. You can see coated in a good amount of snow so far. We have 2 inches of snow reported at the airport here locally. And on top of the snow, we have to consider the cold temperatures. Tonight, they will drop to the single digits, but it will feel like in some places potentially 20 degrees below zero. We've spoken to people in the area, and one resident shared what he thinks about this current weather. Take a listen.
It's a lot of snow. I was planning on going up to the Purdue game this afternoon and kind of had to scuttle things because the roads are pretty dangerous right now. So, but yeah, I got the opportunity to go, sort of walk around and get some photos. So.
Thoughts on what you're seeing so far?
Nice opportunity for photos, but I mean, weather kind of sucks, honestly. So.
All right, now on top of the snowfall, we have to consider how dangerous this can be. If you take a look at the road conditions, this is something that all plow crews are all hands on deck for, trying to clear the roads. But of course, we're seeing cars just here in the Indianapolis area slipping around, but also seeing the hazardous conditions out there in the interstates. Leaders warning people to take it slow or, if anything, avoid the roads. So, John, again, we're dealing with the snow right now, but it's going to be those cold temperatures tonight. That hopefully people will stay inside and avoid, being susceptible to. You could deal with hypothermia or frostbite tonight with temperatures that low.
Yeah.
Back to you.
And officially, winter's not even here yet, right?
Not even. Yeah, we still have until December 21st for the official start of winter, but it feels like it's here already.
All right, Brandy Campbell, you stay warm. Thanks, Brandy.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.